Gonna be changing tag lights on both sides in this 2015 Chevy Silverado. Like I said, 2015 Chevy Silverado. I got pulled over and I didn't even know my tag lights were out. I got pulled over the other day, got in the turn lane, used my blink and everything and turned. It was dark and all of a sudden I see blue lights and I had no idea why he pulled me over, but then he said that both my tag lights were out. Doing the tag lights. This is the bulbs I got. It's not the greatest, like the most expensive or LEDs or anything. It's just plain Jane bulbs, but from the parts store. And to get these out, I'm gonna crawl up under the underside and show you. They just twist and pop out. And I'm wearing gloves only just because I don't know if these are anything like the headlights, but sometimes, you know, the oils in your hand can end up making them blow. But just for precautionary measures. So I don't know if you can see because of the light here, but this is like the housing and it's just held in by 2 bolts, one on the side, one on the other side. But to get it off, you just twist it out. And so let's just give it a twist. There we go. And you can see that one was, I don't know if you can see on camera. So let's change it out. So all this does is pull straight out of the socket here. And the other one clips right back in. Give you a little closer look here. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know if you can see it, but it is in fact blue. All right, I got them changed out. I'm gonna cut till when it's dark and let you see, and, you know, cut my lights on or whatever so you can see they're working here. As you can see now, my tag lights work on both sides. So, yeah, good to go.